Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about risk management, so make sure you stay tuned. If you want to be coached personally by Ernie himself, click the link in the description where you can find Ernie's trading service. Enjoy guys.
So you were taught to manage the wrong thing, right? Why are you taught that you must manage risk? It's a very easy and clear thing on why you must manage risk, is because you're compelled to do it. If you don't do it, then you're going to be in peril. And quite frankly, even though you must manage risk, you're going to be in peril anyways. But let's face it, stop losses, cut your losers, protect your downside after you're in. It sounds like discipline, but for most strategies, it is. But run into an asymmetric butterfly like what we trade, and you're managing risk that has already gone. Now, in our case, we put on long call or long put butterflies out of the money, and the debit itself, that is the risk. You can never lose more than the debit that you take on a long butterfly, a long call or a long put butterfly. And the moment you click buy that butterfly, the worst case is that you've already paid up for your risk. So what most traders do is they risk after the entry. What we do is we profit after the entry, and as soon as we enter, we've already taken care of our risk. So we never have to manage it. That's a crucial point, right? So the risk is fully defined at entry. We define that risk, and it is really based on a whole set of analysis that we do in the beginning and the fly that we choose to trade for that session. Once we get into that butterfly, it's done. But I'm going to show you why. And instead of managing the risk, so we're like passive managers of the risk. Instead of managing the risk, we concentrate 100% on managing profit. And that does another thing. That sets your mindset completely on a different plane. Instead of constantly worrying about this huge risk that you have, we're not in that space at all. We already took care of that by making that risk super small. We're worried about how can we keep what the market has brought our way. How do we manage the profit? A completely different mindset. What the defined risk actually buys us. So first of all, we have a range of risk that we take, and that range is very deliberate in why we do it, and it results in a specific range of risk to reward trades that we're putting on. And the way we do it is by looking at the debit as a percent of the width of the butterfly that we put on. And you might think, what does that do? And it's a little bit hidden, but what you're doing really is by keeping a certain range on that cost of that debit, you're placing the butterfly outside of the money, but in a very specific place that is designed to take advantage of the optionality and expected move and convexity. So that range, 5 to 10%, is crucial. And you've heard me talk about the 10% debit rule before. That's the maximum that we'll pay. That 10% debit rule actually comes from when I was on the American exchange and watching the floor traders trade, and it was a maximum debit that they would pay. And so I've taken that concept and brought it to a whole new level and discovered exactly why they were doing that. They told me way back then, this was back in the mid-90s, and I fluffed it off and didn't really understand it. It wasn't until about a decade later when I became an institutional trader and started trading Zero DTE that I understood. But anyways, that's kind of the foundation of everything that we do.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in having the tools you need to become a profitable Zero DTE trader, check out the link in the description. Take care guys.